Hey, you do the cat is Phil. The cow gets a warning room. The dog watch how she supports. He's jumping. And then this way,
Very good.
yeah.
Can you read In the House at Jack Built?
Really?
You don't want to?
This the taste the word in the cold. I don't see this.
We'll read Hickory Dickory Dock.
I will.
Okay.
You will.
Okay.
You will.
You want me to?
Sure.
Yes, please.
You read the
Emma
good
Elizabeth. Okay. Well, do you want to sing A Tisket a Tasket to me?